Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix USPS login issues, account verification problems step by step clearly. Open your browser and go to USPS.com. Then click Sign In at the top right. Confirm you are using the correct username, not your email, unless you created it as your username. Type your password carefully and check caps lock and keyboard language settings. If you see an account verification message, open a new tab and sign in to the email linked to your USPS account. Search your inbox for messages from USPS or informed delivery, and also check spam and promotions folders. Open the verification email and click the verification link only once. Then wait for the confirmation page to load. If the link shows expired or invalid, go back to USPS and request a new verification email from the sign-in or profile page. Disable any VPN or proxy temporarily because it can trigger security verification blocks. Switch to a stable network, preferably home Wi-Fi, and avoid public Wi-Fi while verifying. Clear your browser cache and cookies for USPS.com. Then fully close and reopen the browser. Try the login again in a private or incognito window to avoid cache session conflicts. Click Forgot Password and reset your password if verification keeps looping after sign-in. Create a strong new password and do not reuse old passwords to prevent repeated security checks. Return to the sign-in page and log in with the new password to trigger a fresh verification state. If you use Informed Delivery, go to Informed Delivery, USPS.com, and try signing in there as well. Check whether your account is locked by too many attempts. Then wait 30 to 60 minutes before trying again. Make sure your device date and time are set to automatic because incorrect time can break verification links. Update your browser to the latest version to ensure USPS security pages load correctly. Try a different browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari to rule out extension conflicts. Disable ad blockers and script blockers for USPS temporarily during verification. If USPS asks for phone verification, confirm your phone number is correct and request a new code. Enter the code immediately and do not copy extra spaces when pasting the code. If you do not receive the code, restart your phone, then request the code again. Verify that your email address in your USPS profile is correct if you can access account settings. If you cannot access settings, contact USPS customer care and request help with account verification and login. When contacting support, provide your username, the email used, and screenshots of any exact error messages. After support resolves it, log out and log back in once to confirm the verification status is cleared. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.